Ever found yourself needing a physical check in today's digital world and wondered, how do I even get checks anymore? It's a valid question. We're so used to online banking, mobile payments, and debit cards that the concept of ordering checks can seem a bit archaic. But sometimes, you just need them. Maybe it's for a landlord who doesn't accept electronic payments, a contractor who prefers traditional methods, or perhaps you just like having a few on hand for those unexpected situations. Whatever the reason, if you're a Relay Bank customer, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to walk through exactly how to order checks from Relay Bank, making the process simple and straightforward. Now, before we dive into the how, let's quickly talk about why checks are still relevant. While digital transactions are dominant, checks offer a few advantages. They can provide a paper trail, which some people find comforting for record keeping. For larger transactions, some businesses still prefer the security and formality of a check. And as mentioned, there are situations where electronic payment simply isn't an option. So, you need checks, and you're with Relay Bank. What are your options? Relay Bank, like many modern financial institutions, offers a few different ways to order checks, catering to various preferences and time constraints. We'll cover the most common methods, so you can choose the one that works best for you. First, let's talk about the easiest and often the fastest method, ordering checks online through your Relay Bank account. This is generally the preferred method for most people because of its convenience. You can do it from the comfort of your home, at any time of day, without having to make a phone call or visit a branch. To order checks online, you'll first need to log into your Relay Bank account. This usually involves going to their website and entering your username and password. Make sure you're on the official Relay Bank website to protect your information. Once you're logged in, look for a section related to account services, check ordering, or something similar. The exact wording might vary slightly, but it's usually found within the main account management area. Once you've found the check ordering section, you will typically be presented with a few options. You might be able to choose the style of checks you want, such as the design, color, or quantity. Relay Bank likely offers different check packages at varying price points. Consider how many checks you anticipate needing to avoid running out too quickly or ordering an excessive amount that you won't use. You'll also need to confirm your address. It's absolutely crucial to ensure that the address on file with Relay Bank is accurate. This is where your checks will be mailed, and any errors could cause significant delays or even have your check sent to the wrong address. If you've recently moved or need to update your address, do that before ordering your checks. There's usually a separate section in your account settings for address changes. After you've selected your check style, quantity, and confirmed your address, you'll likely be asked to review your order. Double-check everything. Make sure the check style, the number of checks, and especially the shipping address are correct. Once you're satisfied, submit your order. You will probably receive a confirmation message or email, providing you with an estimated delivery time frame. Keep this information for your records. Now, what if you're not comfortable ordering checks online, or perhaps you're having trouble navigating the website? No problem. Relay Bank also offers the option to order checks by phone. This is a great alternative if you prefer speaking to a person or if you have specific questions about the check ordering process. To order checks by phone, you'll need to find Relay Bank's customer service number. This is usually found on their website, on the back of your debit card, or in your account statements. When you call, be prepared to provide some information to verify your identity, such as your account number, name, and other identifying details. This is a standard security measure to protect your account. Once you've verified your identity, let the customer service representative know that you'd like to order checks. They will guide you through the process, asking you about the check style, quantity, and confirming your address. Just like with online ordering, it's crucial to double-check all the information you provide to avoid any errors. The customer service representative will also be able to answer any questions you might have about check pricing, delivery times, or any other related concerns. Don't hesitate to ask. They're there to help. Finally, While less common in today's digital age, some banks might still allow you to order checks in person at a branch. This might be a good option if you prefer face-to-face interaction or if you have a more complex request. However, it's worth noting that visiting a branch might require an appointment, and it certainly takes more time than ordering online or by phone. If you choose to order checks in person, locate your nearest Relay Bank branch. You can usually find branch locations on their website. When you visit the branch, be sure to bring some form of identification, such as a driver's license or passport, to verify your identity. A bank representative will assist you with the check ordering process, just like they would over the phone. Regardless of which method you choose, online, phone, or in person, remember a few key things. First, always double-check your order details before submitting it. Errors can lead to delays, incorrect addresses, or even the wrong type of checks being ordered. Second, keep records of your check order, including the confirmation number, order date, and estimated delivery date. This will be helpful if you need to follow up on your order or if you have any questions. Third, be aware of any fees associated with ordering checks. Relay Bank will likely have a fee schedule outlining the costs for different check packages. This information should be readily available on their website or by contacting customer service. Ordering checks from Relay Bank doesn't have to be a complicated process. By understanding the different methods available, online, phone, and potentially in person, you can choose the option that best suits your needs and preferences. Whether you're tech-savvy and prefer the speed of online ordering, or you prefer the personal touch of a phone call or branch visit, Relay Bank likely has a way for you to get the checks you need. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.